Good morning. So I did the Climate Hero film recently and it made me think, well, what kind of rolling stock shall I pull with that? And then I remembered the Bachmann Collectors Club models, and so I ordered some of those. So I'm going to just show you a few of those on film today. Exciting. So they come like this. I mean, they look pretty sturdy, but you might notice that they've got different couplings on to the one I use, but you do get this pack which has the little buffers in them and also some traditional couplings. So I'm going to just put one of those on, I think, and leave the others as they are. Well, there they are. Put the buffers on, you have to put them in, rotate them 90 degrees. They roll pretty freely, not a lot of friction there, so yeah, quite pleased with them. Seem to be quite well made. They certainly look good. And then I've put the traditional coupling just on this end. So now they need a loco. Well, there they are. I like them. Question is, I only make them 500, I think, and they cost £240 for 4, so I'm not sure I'll be getting any more. I haven't really got space now, I'm not in a club, but they do look impressive. I hope you like them too.